Hey there friends, and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be looking at how we can read words with blends and digraphs in them. We're going to talk a little bit about what each of those things is. This lesson and this presentation was made by the friends over at Lexia Core 5, so big shout out to them for putting this together. Let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, we're going to be reading words with blends and digraphs today. Now some words, friends, have three sounds. Words like chip, ch, I, p, chip. I hear three sounds in that word. Another example of a word with three sounds would be shop, sh, p. Some words have four sounds. A word like slip, s, I, p, slip. Another example of a word with four sounds would be nest, s, t. I'm going to say a word, and I want you to decide whether that word has three sounds or four sounds. Let's start with the word tank. How many sounds do you hear in the word tank? Good, we hear four sounds. T, a, n, k, tank. How about in the word lisp? How many sounds do we hear in the word lisp? Good, we hear four. I, s, p, lisp. How about the word chat? How many sounds do we hear in the word chat? Good, we hear three sounds in the word chat. Ch, a, t, chat. Let's try the word best. How many sounds do we hear in the word best? Good, we hear four sounds in the word best. B, s, t. Now how about the word them? How many sounds do we hear in the word them? Good, we hear three sounds in the word them. V, e, m. How about the word shout? How many sounds do you hear in the word shout? Good, we hear three sounds. Sh, ow, t. And how about the word pass? How many sounds do we hear in pass? That's correct, we hear three sounds. P, a, s. Let's do one more. How about the word blip? How many sounds do we hear in the word blip? Good, we hear four sounds. B, I, p, blip. Now I'll let you in on a little secret, friends. All of the words we were just practicing have four letters, but some of them had three sounds instead of four. Now how could that happen? Well, the difference is that some of those words had consonant digraphs, while some of those words had consonant blends. A digraph is two letters that are working together to make one sound. For example, CH. CH says ch. Those two letters are working together to make one sound. So in the word chat, we only hear three sounds even though there are four letters. The word chat is spelled C-H-A-T, four letters. But when we sound it out, we only hear three sounds. Ch, a, t. That means that it's a digraph. Now a consonant blend, on the other hand, means that the two letters are working together, but they're still making two individual sounds. An example of this would be the word blip. In the word blip, it's spelled B-L-I-P, four letters. And we hear four sounds. B-U-I-P, blip. Each letter is making its own distinct sound in that word. So while the letters are still all working together to make a word, we still hear each individual letter. They're not making a new sound when they work together. Let's take a look at this word here, shop. In the word shop, we have SH. SH is another example of a digraph. The sounds in shop are sh, a, p. Only three sounds, even though there are four letters. Since SH is a consonant digraph, two letters working together to make one sound, we hear three sounds in this four-letter word. up. Now let's look at the word stop. In this word, we have S-T-O-P. S-T-O-P. We hear 4 sounds in that word, and there are 4 letters. Unlike in the word shop, where S and H were working together to make one sound, each of these letters is saying its own sound. S-T-O-P. Stop. We still blend them together just like we've been practicing with other words. There's just an extra sound because we have more letters. This is a picture of stop. Look carefully at the words at the bottom. We have the word stop and the word shop. The word stop matches the picture. We know this because we can sound out that word. S-T-O-P. Stop. Since we know that SH says sh, we know that that word would say shop. Now look carefully at this picture. This is a hand. Which of the words at the bottom says hand? Good. This word says hand. If we sound out that word, we can see that it says h-a-n-d, hand. What does our other word say? Good, our other word says hats. H-a-t-s, hats. When we look carefully at the letters and picture the word in our mind, it can help us decide which one says the correct word. Go ahead and close your eyes for a second. I want you to picture the word hand. Does the word you're picturing look like H-A-N-D? It should. By picturing the word and matching it to the picture we see in front of us, we can help remember which letters make certain sounds and what certain words look like. Let's try it with this one. This is a path. Which of the words at the bottom says path? Good, this word says path. How do we know that that word says path? That's right, we hear the consonant digraph TH at the end. We hear p, a, th. And since we're hearing that sound th at the end, we know that it's made by the letters TH and we must have a consonant digraph in that word. We can also listen to the number of sounds. P, a, th. There are only 3 sounds in that word. So we know it can't be a word that has a consonant blend, like the word on the left. Speaking of which, what does our other word say? That's right, our other word is pant. P-a-n-t, pant. Go ahead and close your eyes. I want you to picture the word path. Picture the TH digraph at the end. Are you seeing the word? Very good. Go ahead and open your eyes. This is a picture of a chin. First, let's think about how many sounds we hear in the word chin. That's right, there are 3 sounds in the word chin. Ch, I, n. Now look at the words at the bottom. Which of those words says chin? Very good, it's the word on the left. We know that because we know that CH says ch. It's a consonant digraph making one sound. So that's how we ended up with 3 sounds in that 4-letter word. Ch, I, n, chin. What does the word on the right say? Good, that word is clip. K-O-I-P, clip. We hear all 4 sounds because it's a consonant blend. A blend is 2 letters making 2 sounds. So the C and the L, while they're still working together, they're each still saying their own individual sounds. Unlike in the word chin, which is what we're looking for here. Go ahead and look at the words here, friends. Take a minute to sound each of these words out. Got it? All right. This is a picture of a cast. Which one of those words says cast? Very good, the word on the right. Did you sound it out correctly? I bet you did. This word says cast because we can hear all 4 sounds. K, a, s, t, The consonant blend, ST, is at the end. We know it can't be the word on the left because that word has a consonant digraph, CH. We would hear 3 sounds. What does the word on the left say? Good, that word is chat. Ch-at, chat. And that's not the word we're looking for at all. Go ahead and sound out each of these words, friends. Got it? All right. The word we're looking for here is spin. Which of those words says spin? Very good, the word on the left. As a bonus question, what does the word on the right say? Very good, the word on the right says sick. The word we're looking for here is spin. It has the consonant digraph SP at the beginning. It's a consonant blend. Did I say blend? If I did not say blend, I meant to say blend. It has a consonant blend, SP, at the beginning. We can hear each of those sounds. Sp, I, n. Spin. 4 letters and 4 sounds. This is different than the word sick, which only has 3 sounds. It has the consonant digraph, CK. S, I, k, sick. Go ahead and take a minute to sound out each of these words. Got it? Alrighty. There is our picture. Which of those words matches our picture? Very good. That word there, it is math. M-A-th, math. Does the word math have a consonant digraph or a consonant blend? Good, it has a digraph, right? It has a TH digraph, M-A-th. This is different than the word on the left, mask, which has a consonant blend, SK. If we sound out the word mask, we hear all 4 sounds. M-A-S-k, mask. Go ahead and take a minute to sound out these words. Got it? All right. Which of these words matches our picture? Good. The word is slip. S-l-i-p, slip. This word has 4 sounds because it has the consonant blend, SL, at the beginning. We hear each of those sounds. This is different than the word on the right, which is whip. W-I-p, whip, only has 3 sounds because it has consonant digraph, WH. All right, friends, let's check for our understanding. The picture here is chin, and we can see the word matches. Ch-I-N, chin. Does the word chin have a consonant digraph or a consonant blend? Good, it has a consonant digraph because it only has 3 sounds. Ch-I-N, chin. Great job, friends. You made it all the way to the end of our lesson. Let's hop on over to Seesaw and see what we're working on today. So the first thing we're going to do is write our code word. Our code word today is chin. So you're going to use the text tool or the drawing tool to write C-H-I-N, chin, and put it in the code word box, just like that. Then you're going to look at our blends page over here. This particular page focuses on L blends to make things a little bit easier for you. So all of our words are going to have a consonant blend with the letter L. All you have to do is match the word to the picture. So next to each of these pictures, there is a little play button. If you click on it, you'll hear the word read and used in a sentence. Sled. I love to play on my sled in the snow. Sled. Okay, I know my first word is sled. So I'm going to look at my word bank up here. That's all of these words at the top. And I'm going to decide which of these words says sled, just like we were doing in our lesson. I know I hear the sound S at the beginning, so I'm looking for a word that starts with S. But I'm also hearing an ul sound. S-u-e-d, sled. So I'm looking for a word that starts with S. I see two of those words that look like that at the top. Now, one of these words, if I sound it out, looks like this. S-l-i-p, slip. That's not the word I'm looking for. Let's try the next one. S-l-e-d, sled. Ah, there it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my text tool or my drawing tool to write the word sled. I might make it a bit smaller, and then I'll put it in my blank next to the picture, just like that. Now, it makes my life a little bit easier if I cross off the words after I use them. I just use sled, so I'm going to cross it off at the top. You don't have to cross off the words if you don't need to, but it helps me keep my brain straight, and it makes it easier as I go because I'm losing choices, right? So the farther I get down the page and the more that I do, the less words I'll have to work with and less words to choose from in the word bank. All right, friends, so that is all you have for today. Once you're done with that, hit the green check mark and turn it in. Rock on, superstars, and I'll see y'all next time.